The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has called on President Cyril Ramaphosa to account for explosive testimony at the Madlanga Commission that implicates him in the alleged misuse of state security forces to benefit a private mining company. According to evidence delivered under oath by KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, Ramaphosa personally instructed the National Police Commissioner to deploy elite police units, including the Special Task Force and the National Intervention Unit and NIU to Richards Bay Minerals RBM, a private multinational mining operation. Umkhonto weSizwe Party spokesperson Nhlamulo Ndlela described the move as a blatant abuse of power and said this act constitutes the capture of state security resources for the narrow benefit of private multinational at taxpayer expense. While ordinary South Africans continue to face violent crime, gender-based violence and lawlessness without adequate protection, the party urged that the revelations confirm its long-standing warnings about the state capture under Ramaphosa's leadership and said the events detailed during the Madlanga Commission expose a presidency that is actively manipulating state security structures to serve political agendas. The rule of law is being subverted by the very people sworn to uphold it. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has demanded that Ramaphosa disclose the legal basis, cost, and rationale for the deployment and explain to both Parliament and the nation how such conduct can be justified under his constitutional obligation to govern impartially. Ndlela warned that if Ramaphosa fails to respond satisfactorily, the party will escalate the matter through parliamentary processes, Chapter 9 institution, the Auditor General, and the courts, and said the state exists to serve the people, not multinational mining companies. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.